Welcome back to Body Make and Health Management. Today we're revealing a fat-burning tool hiding in plain sight, right in your kitchen. Forget expensive supplements or fancy gadgets. The real game changer? Water. Hydration is the simplest, most overlooked way to accelerate fat loss. We'll break down how water boosts metabolism, curbs appetite, helps burn fat, and powers your workouts. Get ready for practical tips you can use today. Let's dive in. Chapter 1. How water fires up your metabolism and helps you achieve your wellness goals. We're diving deep into the science-backed benefits of hydration. Metabolism is your body's engine, constantly burning calories for energy, even when you're at rest, relaxing, or sleeping. It's the process that keeps you alive and functioning. Drinking water, especially when it's refreshingly cold, triggers what's known as water-induced thermogenesis. This means your body has to burn extra calories to warm the water up to your core temperature. Studies have demonstrated some pretty impressive results. They show that drinking about 17 ounces of water, which is roughly 2 cups, can boost your metabolic rate by up to 30% for nearly an hour after consumption. The colder the water, the more energy your body expends to warm it, amplifying this effect and making it a smart, easy, and effective fat loss hack. Kickstart your day the right way. Start your morning with a cold glass of water to jumpstart your metabolism and awaken your digestive system. And don't forget to drink another glass before workouts to prime your body for optimal calorie burn and enhanced performance. Consistent hydration, maintained throughout the day, keeps your metabolism humming along efficiently, ensuring you're burning calories even while you work or relax. On the flip side, dehydration slows everything down, including your body's ability to burn fat effectively. The key isn't chugging gallons all at once, which can be uncomfortable and unsustainable, but rather taking steady, regular sips throughout the day. This simple, consistent habit keeps your body in a fat-burning mode, optimizing your metabolism around the clock. Make water your go-to beverage, replacing sugary drinks and sodas, and watch your metabolism work more efficiently for you. It's effortless, effective, and totally free. Remember, every single glass counts toward achieving your health and fitness goals. Hydration isn't just a good idea, it's the very foundation of a healthy and efficient metabolism. So don't underestimate the incredible power of water and its impact on your daily routine and overall well-being. Small changes like consistently choosing cold water over other beverages can add up to significant results over time. Keep your internal engine running strong and efficiently with this simple yet powerful habit. Water is truly your secret weapon for unlocking a faster, more efficient metabolism and achieving your health aspirations. Chapter 2. Water as a natural appetite suppressant. It's a tool that's always available, requires no special preparation, and has 0 calories. Let's explore how this simple element can be a game changer in your weight management journey. Hunger is the biggest challenge in any fat loss journey. Those cravings can derail even the most dedicated individuals. Drinking water fills your stomach, triggering stretch receptors that tell your brain you're full. It's a natural way to trick your body into feeling satiated. Often we mistake thirst for hunger, so try water first when cravings hit. Before reaching for that snack, ask yourself if you're truly hungry or just dehydrated. Drinking a glass of water 30 minutes before meals helps you eat less without feeling deprived. This simple act can significantly reduce your overall calorie intake. Studies confirm, pre-meal water leads to smaller portions and fewer calories consumed. It's a practical and effective strategy supported by scientific evidence. This isn't about restriction, it's about working with your body's natural signals. You're not depriving yourself, you're simply optimizing your body's own mechanisms. You'll feel satisfied, not starved, making it easier to stick to your plan. This approach promotes long-term adherence and sustainable results. Swap sugary drinks for water to cut hundreds of empty calories each week. It's a straightforward substitution with a profound impact. 1 can of soda a day adds up to over 1,000 calories a week. Those calories can quickly sabotage your weight loss efforts. Replace it with water and watch the difference. You'll be amazed at how this simple change can contribute to your overall well-being. Water keeps you hydrated, curbs cravings, and contains 0 calories. It's a triple threat when it comes to managing your weight. It's the ultimate beverage for anyone serious about fat loss. Incorporate it into your daily routine and experience the benefits firsthand. Make water your first line of defense against unnecessary snacking. Before reaching for that bag of chips, reach for a glass of water instead. Build the habit. Drink a glass before every meal. You'll naturally eat less and feel more in control. It's a small change that can lead to significant results over time. Water helps you make smarter food choices. It's a simple, sustainable way to manage your appetite. When you're properly hydrated, you're less likely to make impulsive, unhealthy decisions. No gimmicks, just science and consistency. Stay hydrated, stay satisfied. This is a long-term strategy that promotes overall health and well-being. Let water do the heavy lifting for your appetite. It's a powerful and readily available tool for achieving your weight loss goals. Chapter 3. Hydration's direct role in fat metabolism. Fat breakdown or lipolysis literally requires water. Without enough water, your body can't efficiently unlock and burn stored fat. Dehydration slows this process, stalling your fat loss, even if your diet and exercise are on point. Your liver, which helps burn fat, gets sidetracked, helping your kidneys when you're dehydrated. This means less fat is converted to energy. Stay hydrated so your liver can focus on fat burning, not damage control. Chronic low-level dehydration is a hidden fat loss killer. Don't wait until you're thirsty. Sip water throughout the day. Consistent hydration keeps your fat-burning machinery running smoothly. Make water a non-negotiable part of your daily routine. The more efficiently your body burns fat, the faster you see results. Hydration is the key to unlocking your body's fat-burning potential. Chapter 4. Let's dive into water's profound impact on your workouts. We'll explore how staying properly hydrated can be a game-changer in achieving your fitness goals. Exercise is absolutely essential for fat loss and building a healthier you, but dehydration can quietly sabotage your performance and hinder your progress. It's a common pitfall, but easily avoidable. Even mild dehydration, something many of us experience without realizing it, can significantly drain your energy reserves, reduce your overall endurance, and make even familiar workouts feel much harder than they actually are. When you're dehydrated, your heart is forced to work overtime to circulate blood, and you'll likely find yourself tiring out much faster than usual. This added stress on your cardiovascular system can impact your workout quality. Ultimately, dehydration leads to shorter, less effective workouts, and that translates directly to fewer calories burned during each session. You're simply not able to push yourself as hard or as long. Remember, your muscles need water not only to contract properly during exercise but also to recover effectively afterward and to efficiently flush out metabolic waste products that build up during intense activity. A lack of adequate water can quickly lead to painful muscle cramps, general weakness, and ultimately, poorer results from all your hard work. It's a frustrating cycle. So, how do you combat this? Start your day with a tall glass of water to kickstart your hydration. And make it a point to keep sipping water consistently before you even begin your exercise routine. Pre-hydration is key. Hydrate strategically during exercise, taking small sips between sets or during brief rest periods. And of course, replenish your fluids diligently after exercise to aid in recovery. Don't wait until you feel thirsty. By that point, your performance is already slipping and you're playing catch-up. Be proactive about hydration. Proper hydration fuels better, more intense workouts, which directly translates to more fat burned and a greater overall caloric expenditure. The better you perform and the more energy you have, the more motivated you'll naturally be to stick with your fitness plan and keep pushing towards your goals. Water is truly the simplest, most accessible way to significantly boost both your endurance and your overall workout results. Make it a non-negotiable habit. Keep a water bottle readily available and drink consistently throughout the day, especially around your workout times. Remember, hydration is not just about quenching thirst. It actively supports every single aspect of your physical performance, from strength and power to stamina and recovery. Don't let dehydration be the weak link that holds you back from achieving your fitness potential. Prioritize adequate water intake and you'll unlock your full workout potential, maximizing your efforts and seeing the results you deserve. Every single drop of water counts toward your overall health, fitness journey, and ultimately, your fat loss success. Water is the essential element that powers your body to achieve real, sustainable, and lasting change. Embrace it and watch your fitness goals become a reality. There you have it. Water is your ultimate fat loss ally. It boosts metabolism, curbs appetite, helps burn fat, and powers your workouts. The best part? It's simple, free, and available to everyone. Don't overcomplicate your journey. Start with the basics. Drink more water, and let your results speak for themselves. If you found this helpful, share, and subscribe for more actionable health tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.